5 minutes to teach you how to crochet the snowflake ornament. The stitches are simple and beginner-friendly. Materials needed. Start with a magic ring. Hold the yarn with your left hand, pinching it between your little finger and ring finger. Wrap it around your index finger once, then wrap it around your middle finger and ring finger once. Press the intersection with your thumb. Insert the crochet hook into the ring, pull the yarn through, and twist it into one loop. Round 1. Yarn over and pull through the loop to complete one chain stitch. Chain 3 stitches in total. This replaces the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the third chain stitch. This is the first stitch of this round. Then chain 2 more stitches. Next, work a normal double crochet. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull through. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet is completed. Then chain 2 stitches. 1 double crochet plus 2 chain stitches make 1 set. You have already completed 2 sets. Finish the remaining 4 sets by yourself, totaling 6 sets. After finishing, pull the starting yarn tail to tighten the ring. Note, at the end of each round, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch where you place the stitch marker at the beginning, yarn over, and pull through, then directly pull through the loop on the right. Round 2. First, slip stitch to the 2 chain space from the previous round. Chain 3 stitches to replace the first double crochet, and also place a stitch marker on the 3rd chain stitch. Then work 3 double crochets into the chain space. Including the starting 3 chain stitches, this is equivalent to 4 double crochets in 1 chain space. Then chain 2 stitches, and in the next chain space, work 4 double crochets. Continue alternating with 4 double crochets plus 2 chain stitches, totaling 6 sets. After finishing, join with a slip stitch and tighten. Round 3. First, slip stitch 4 times to the next chain space. Then chain 3 stitches and slip stitch into the chain space. Next, chain 5 stitches and slip stitch into the chain space. Then chain 7 stitches and slip stitch into the chain space. You can manually adjust the work to the right. Then chain 5 stitches and slip stitch into the chain space. Finally, chain 3 stitches and slip stitch into the chain space. One pattern set is completed. Then slip stitch 4 times to the next chain space and continue with the pattern. Chain 3 stitches and slip stitch. Chain 5 stitches and slip stitch. Chain 7 stitches and slip stitch. Chain 5 stitches and slip stitch. Chain 3 stitches and slip stitch. The second pattern set is also completed. Repeat the same method to complete all 6 sets. After finishing, cut the yarn and weave the end to the back of the work. Then, pick up a few stitches near the yarn end, pull the yarn through, and trim the excess. Finally, attach a keychain to complete it.